Hi guys, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. So if you're just joining us in this channel for the very first time, you are highly welcome. In today's video, I am gonna be showing the guys, the men, some natural remedy that would help you boost up, that would help you stand up. If you don't last long as a man, this treatment is for you, or this remedy rather is for you. Okay, it's going to help you so freaking much. So if you want to know what comprises of my remedy, please do continue watching, and please share this video and also turn on the bell beside the subscribe button. That way you will be notified when I upload a new video. Thumbs up this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and follow me on Instagram. And also drop your questions on my website. The link will be at my description box and also at my comment section. Alright guys, let's dive into this video. The first ingredient for this is going to be ginger. Ginger can treat many forms of nausea, especially morning sickness. Ginger may reduce muscle pains and soreness. The anti-inflammatory effects can help with arthritis. It has been used for thousands of years for medical purposes, relieving weakness. It also helps to increase your love life, and it helps you firm, strong, and erect. Alright, so this is going to be very helpful. And the next ingredient which we are going to be needing for this is going to be dates. Alright, another name for dates which I know of is called debino. Alright, these are very healthy fruits to include in your food. Okay, they are high in several nutrients. They contain fiber, they contain antioxidants. They may provide health benefits ranging from improved digestion. It also helps to reduce the risk of disease, heart attack, and it also helps to increase your strength as a man. It helps you function well. Perfect for the skin because it helps to lighten up and give you a flawless looking skin. So the last ingredient we're going to be needing for this is going to be honey. Honey is one natural sweetener which helps to lower fat. It also helps to replace as a sweetener or sugar for diabetic patients. Honey is a well-functioning ingredient that contains antioxidants, and is also perfect for the skin. It's used to glow and remove wrinkles and fine lines, and it will also help you in increasing your love life and give you strength as a man. Okay, so let's prepare all our ingredients together. We are going to be taking just a little piece of this ginger will be perfect. So I would have to be cutting much of this out, so to get just a little piece. Is just what we need. Alright, so you're just going to cut this into tiny pieces because we need to blend all of these things. Okay, and then when you cut it like this, then you can transfer it into a blender. So I'm gonna be transferring this into a blender, and I'm gonna be setting that aside. I'm preparing 3 dates. Okay, so you're just going to cut it open, although it can be really strong. Okay, now it is recommended that you use the dry dates. Okay, don't use the fresh one. The dry one would be better. So when you cut open and remove the seed, you transfer that into a blender. okay, just like what I'm doing right now. You try and remove the seed, because we actually don't need the seed, and then you put that into a blender. 3 pieces of this would be okay. Alright, so this can be actually very strong to remove, but you have to be patient so you don't cut your fingers or whatever. Okay, so I'm going to be pouring in the honey into the... There are other ways in which you can do this. You can just blend this and then you pour the honey over it and then you take it, but in this one I'm going to go blend it. I'll be adding a little bit of water to enable my blender blend this really well for me. So I just added a little bit of water in this, and this is okay. You don't need to add too much of water because we need it to be very effective, alright? And you don't need too much of honey. So I'm gonna go blend this and I'll be right back. Alright guys, so here is the blended one. It's actually, it didn't blend really well because it's not much, but yeah, it's still okay. We're going to be straining that out since it didn't blend very well. Alright, so we're going to be needing a little tiny strainer, and then you just pour it into the strainer and let it strain. Well, for this my strainer, I will have to assist it and press it for the juice itself to come out. Other than that, it's not going to come out as I would want it to be, so that's why I would have to assist it to come out. So here is the juice of it, and this is how it looks like. It looks a little ginger in color, alright? But if you don't want to use fresh ginger, if you have a dry ginger, you can actually use a dry ginger, but preferably it would be nice if you use a fresh ginger. Alright, let me have a taste of this. This tastes really sweet, like, and it tastes a little bit pepperish. It tastes really sweet and it's actually very thick. I'm sure it's because of the date, because the date itself is a sweet fruit, and then the honey combined with it. If you check a ripe date, is usually honey like it's usually like honey. So this is actually very sweet, but as much as it is sweet, it does not have any side effects. Okay, it is still okay. It's perfect for a guy to use. Alright, to use this, you can actually use it anytime you want to, get in contact with your partner. You just, drink a little bit of this like this, and then you wait for about 30 minutes. It's just going to help you so much. And if you want to keep on taking it, you can take it 2 times in a week. You have to take it cold, like cool. You have to refrigerate it so you could enjoy it. Okay, so this is how it looks like. And this is how it tastes, and it tastes really sweet, and ginger pepper, like really nice. Everything here are 100% natural. Definitely there's no side effect. There's something we take every other day, okay? So there's no harm in trying it, but nonetheless it's also not good for everybody though, because people's body are different. All right, that's it. Ginger is great and honey is great, and dates, I am so shocked when I discover, or when I knew what it does for the body. It also does a lot of things for the skin. Like, I'm going to be using that a lot in my beauty remedy for the skin. Generally, it does a lot of things. So they are actually very natural, and it is actually very, very nice. Okay, so try it and you're gonna love it. Okay, and it is actually something that we eat. Yeah. Yes. Okay, so if you did love the video, please don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe to my YouTube channel, turn on the bell beside the subscribe button. That way you will be notified when I upload a new video. If you have any questions you want to ask me, don't forget to ask your questions on my website. The link will be at my description box and also at my comment section. Please share this video and follow me on Instagram. I'll see you soon in my next video. Bye guys.